Hey, what's up guys? I'm here at the Nugsmasher factory in the hot box, aka the Smash Lab, and if you're new to this solventless, wonderful rosin, I'm here to straighten some things out for you. I'm going to show you what we have to offer in terms of a full product line, but in terms of concentrates, believe me when I'm telling you, you can't get better concentrates in the world other than from your own machine. If you are into concentrates now, you're in the right place. And let me start all the way over at the Nugsmasher Mini, and we'll explain to you a little bit about that. For instance, it's on sale right now for $399. You can see the pricing, and then we'll go all the way up through our line, all the way up to the Nugsmasher Pro for more of the commercial use. We'll tell you a little bit about the Nugsmasher IQ and how wonderful, our latest machine, how wonderful it is. Go through the touch and the whole product line. So let's get started. So like I said guys, the Nugsmasher Mini handle stows in the top for travel, goes back in the unit real easy. All steel construction, made in the USA right here in our factory, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We have customer service that backs all of our units 7 days a week. They're here at the factory. So you can give them a call at any time here. You can chat with them on the chat window at nugsmasher.com 7 days a week. Okay guys, moving up the line to the Nugsmasher OG. Nugsmasher OG will do up to 14 grams at one time, so it provides quite a lot more pressure than the Nugsmasher Mini, but it provides way more pressure than you need. So it has 12 tons of pressure. You got to be real careful with not over pressurizing your material in the Nugsmasher OG. There are some alchemists out there that make some absolute amazing material from the Nugsmasher OG, so it's a marvelous machine. There's a 160 watt heater in each plate, 2 total heaters. It has a Nugsmasher NS710 PID, digital PID. It is guaranteed for life, and this sucker is it's a hunk. So I think it comes in at 44 pounds. It's quite heavy, it's big, it's made right here in our factory in Lake Havasu City, made all in America, the Nugsmasher OG. And that's coming in right now at $710, I believe, to give you guys the idea. Now moving up from the Nugsmasher OG is the Nugsmasher XP. Let's get into that. Okay guys, moving up to the Nugsmasher XP. The Nugsmasher XP, you start to measure pressure. Now, understand pressure changes dramatically when you have different sizes between the plates. So the size and the amount that you put between the plates when you're measuring the pressure is key. It works together with the Nugsmasher app, which also has terp files on it lately, I may add, but it'll let you calculate your consistent pressure. So for instance, you could put 3.5 grams in, use your dial here, and it's at 400 gauge pressure PSI. You can put that back into the calculator tool here, and it'll tell you on that 3.5 gram bag what the actual material PSI was, so that you can come and do 2 14 gram bags if you want a full ounce at that same material PSI. Obviously it'll be a lot more on the gauge, but on the pressure between the plates, it'll be the same. And you can use the calculator tool on the app with the Nugsmasher XP to do and repeat consistency like that. So it's a little easier machine to do isolates on. It's an easier machine to do hash extractions on when you're not trying to over pressurize. And it will give you a higher quality material, being able to measure the pressure that you started to apply on it. Now, Nugsmasher XP, like I said, has 2 heaters in each plate. They're 160 watt heater. It's controlled by our Nugsmasher NS710 digital temperature control PID. It's all made here and designed in our factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, backed by our lifetime warranty and customer support 7 days a week for you guys. So if it's new to you, you feel like you really want to make some higher quality material, the XP might be the way to go for you. Currently $11.99 on the website and at authorized dealers. So we're going to move up from the XP all the way up to digital pressure and input in our calculator that we designed to the Nugsmasher Touch next. So stay with us. Okay guys, let's get into the Nugsmasher Touch. Now, the Nugsmasher Touch has that same 12 tons of pressure that you can manually apply, but it has the full, complete touchscreen calculator in it. And this is designed by us here at Nugsmasher, and it allows you, it's completely configurable, and it basically allows you to put whatever size bag you're putting in it, even a custom size if you want to. You can put your target material PSI here in a actual touchpad if you want. You can move it up and down with the arrows if you want, the timer and whatnot. There's general settings in the bottom here for you. So it works with our bags, the Nugsmasher bags. We have a full line of bags. I'll explain to you: 3.5 gram, 7 gram, and 14 gram, as well as X bags. Those are all the names of the bags, and it's a relative guideline of how much you can put, how much cured flour you can put in the bags to turn into rosin in one of the machines. So keep in mind, if you haven't seen a video on bottle textile, make sure you watch one on our channel so you get that hang, because that's exactly the size that we've had calculated in here. So 3.5 gram, one of them. You can change this number to, you know, up to 3 bags, I believe it'll do on the Touch, or 1, or wherever you're at. You can change the size of the bag here. So we're going to come back over to 1, go, let's say it's a 3.5 gram bag, boom, and then you can change your time here, which changes the timer up here. Also, you can change your pressure and input it here. There's some general 3 pressures put in there for you. You're pretty safe at any of those with flour. And then you can 3 general temperatures that will set the actual temperature control based on how what flour or what you're doing, what extraction you're doing. So it also has a master extractor screen, like I said, that you can have all manual inputs and everything in. And you also have control of all the same settings in that, but a little more of the actual surface area control. So, and then it comes with lights, as you guys can see. But Nugsmasher Touch is a great solution for a lot of people. A lot of alchemists make some wonderful product with this unit, and I think currently it's $2,596 on the site or at authorized dealers. Nugsmasher IQ, the newest addition to our family and our newest creation, is a fully automatic machine, and man, talk about incredible. This machine is absolutely incredible. It has the calculator just like the Touch does, and so much more. It has a ramp mode, which has a general isolate. It puts the settings in for you, and I mean, man, this gives us wonderful isolate every time from the right product. It's really great. It has a general hash extraction mode, so if you're doing that. So, and this ramp mode, basically, you put a time. So over 6 minutes, it's going to start at 100 material PSI and ramp up to 450 material PSI. It's going to start at 120 degrees and then ramp up to 175 degrees. So you can do things like that in the ramp mode that does it over time, and really have some amazing product. And like I said, the pressure's all applied automatically. Everything's done with a touch button here. So really great. And there's also a DECARB mode. So you can come over here if you're cooking. This is an amazing machine for a gourmet kitchen. If you're cooking and you have hemp, CBD, or you're cooking with cannabis, you can, after you extract the rosin, you can then put it in a large DECARB capsule, stick it in here, and it does it all for you. You just press the button, you come back later, your material is completely decarboxylated, and you're able to add it to your recipes. So really great machine for that. It has a bunch of settings, it has fans and lights, but wonderful machine to really do everything you need done automatically with the push of a button. Nugsmasher IQ, and now currently on our site that's $46.95, and at nugsmasher.com and at authorized dealers, the Nugsmasher IQ. Amazing product. And we're noticing out of this machine that we're getting higher yields over a manually operated machine because it's just so precise. So the Nugsmasher IQ, we're sure proud of it, and it's obviously backed with our lifetime warranty, full 7-day customer support. It's really a great machine, all designed, made right here in our factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Okay guys, a little bit about our commercial machines, the Nugsmasher Pro line. The Nugsmasher Pro, this is a 212-pound machine. It's all made out of solid structural 1/4-inch steel, fiber laser cut to absolute precision here in our factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The plates on this thing, they're 10 inches wide by 7 inches deep. They're almost 2 inches thick. They're monsters. You've got 3 heaters in each plate, so they heat fast, but they really retain the heat evenly and straight. And there's both the 2 units that I'm going to talk to you about are operated with pneumatic power, so air. So you need an air compressor to operate them, a small air compressor, nothing crazy. Make sure you got a good water separator on it. Something you get at Home Depot for 200 bucks works great. Just get a good water separator on the thing. Anyhow, they work with this joystick that's completely configurable to the exact pressure. The Pro works with the Nugsmasher app, just like the XP does. The Nugsmasher app that also has terp files on it. So make sure if you don't have the Nugsmasher app, guys, get to the Apple Store or the Google Store and get the Nugsmasher app. It's absolutely free, but there's lots of great information on there. It tells you what strains that people are having good luck with. So if you're running into a dead end constantly with your extractions and not getting what you're expecting out of it, look at what other people are doing. Guarantee you'll get the same results. So it's a great tool for everybody out there. Back to the Nugsmasher Pro, the thing is an absolute workhorse. It's made to be used all day long. It has up to 20 tons of pneumatic pressure. It has separate PIDs for the top and bottom plates so you can independently control the heat. It has a big fan to quickly cool the plates down. It also has a light switch on here. Everything on it is manual and really commercial grade. So anyway, products, amazing product for the big cultivators out there that want a lot of results. It works very, very well. It's backed by our lifetime warranty. We have some gigantic educational institutes and schools and organizations that have this actual machine. So wonderful machine if you're into a big quantity situation. 212 pounds, like I said, requires an air compressor. And from here, we're going to move on to the Nugsmasher Pro Touch, which is an amazing unit. It has all of the calculator tools that we showed you in the Nugsmasher Touch, but in a Pro version. So stick with me. Okay guys, Nugsmasher Pro Touch. It has the calculator. It's really easy and intuitive tool to use. You can put everything, the input is super easy. You put everything in with just a touch of a finger. It has the master extractor screen, just like I showed you on the Touch. You can put exact sizing in. It's pneumatically controlled. The unit is absolutely amazing. If you're a cultivator that wants maximum output, this is in top quality in terms of the pressure and the size. This is an amazing machine. A lot of for hash or flower extractions, all that. So this machine, the Pro Touch, is really a commercial grade 10-inch capacitive touch screen unit that has all of the bells and whistles that the Touch has in it, but the pneumatic operation and 20 tons of pressure with the big plates that the Nugsmasher Pro has. So lots more, you can learn lots more about our units at nugsmasher.com. If you guys have any questions about any of the units or the products that we offer, please contact our customer service representative here at the factory. They aim to please you. So you can get them at nugsmasher.com, the chat window, or you can dial our factory number to talk to them direct 7 days a week. So thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, tell a friend for God's sakes, will you? Thanks so much.